Hello and welcome to LeadQuizzes, the number one AI quiz maker for marketers. This is Hamad, your customer success manager. So, do you want to remove LeadQuizzes from your URL and host your quizzes on your own brand domain? A custom domain like yourquizyourbrand.com builds massive trust and keeps your funnel professional. Let me show you how to set this up in the app. First, we need to activate the feature, so let's go to the settings and billing details. In billing details, you go under custom domain, you see the option to add subscription. Click on add subscription, select the property type, and click on purchase. This unlocks the ability to white label your quiz links. Now, let's head over to custom domains tab in the setting. You go into the settings again, site and organization, custom domains. Over here, once you have set it up, you are able to enter your custom domain website and then verify. Simply copy this point to value and add it to the DNS settings in your domain provider like GoDaddy or Cloudflare. Once you've added the records, click Verify in LeadQuizzes. Once it's active, you can even customize your URL path for each individual quiz. It's that simple to create a fully branded experience. Start white labeling your funnels today with LeadQuizzes. If you still have any questions, just reply or book a quick call. I'm here to help you succeed. Start building your quiz today with LeadQuizzes and watch your leads and your business grow faster. Thank you.